Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use your iPhone or any Android phone that have camera as your web camera completely free in 3 easy steps. First thing that you want to do, just go into Play Store or your Android phone and type DroidCam on the searching bar. So just type DroidCam. Once you type that, you will find this program. All you need to do is just install the program, then you can open the program on your phone. Now when we have the program open, you don't have to set up anything. I'm connected with my Wi-Fi from my phone to my home network, the same with my computer. Once we install and run the program on your phone, the same thing you need to do is just go into this site dev47apps.com and install the client version for Windows or Linux if you're using one. Once you do that, and all you need to do is just start the program on your computer. It's gonna look like this, and once this is set up, all you need to do is just press start. Make sure that this device IP that you see on the screen and the IP that you see, Wi-Fi IP, because we're gonna use my phone as a Wi-Fi IP camera. You have the option to use it with your cable, USB cable if you want, or even with your internet. Like if you put your mobile data and not Wi-Fi connected, the IP is going to be different, but make sure the Wi-Fi IP and the device IP here are matching, the same with the port. So now all you need to do is just press start. And as you can see, now it's running. You can see my camera that I'm recording from this camera at the moment. And if I point it towards myself, you can see how much better looking is comparing to the camera that I'm using at the moment. If we go into any program, like let's say Discord, we can use this DroidCam source, and it's gonna pick up the camera that we just made it from our phone. As you can see, there it is, and run it in any voice program that you want to use, like Zoom or Discord or whatever program you're using, and it's gonna look pretty good for the camera, I guess. It's not gonna be top quality, but still it's a free way to do these things. And yeah, basically that's it. Once you do that, you can either add this camera to your OBS or Streamlabs. So pretty much what you have to do is just click here on the plus, pick up like window capture, and then just go add source. We're not gonna name anything, and we're just gonna pick like Droid camera client. So now we have this Droid camera set up, as you can see, and we have like my main camera from my phone on the left side, and here you can see how much better looking is the one from my phone. If you want to do to look only the camera, you can make it bigger if you want, let's say like this, and then just hold out and do like that, and okay, and it's gonna be only your camera. Just give me a sec to do it. So yeah, now you can see we are using this camera as a web camera from the phone. Everything is transferred via Wi-Fi. If you put your USB cable and connect the camera that way, I guess maybe the quality is going to be better. I'm not quite sure. That needs to be checked. But yeah, this is how you can do it. And if you want to make your camera like transparent, like you can see right now here on the left side, or even if you want to put like an image behind you, I have a video that you can check. It's gonna be around up there. in the cards, so you can see that as well. So pretty much that's it, guys. That's what I want to show you. It's easy step, and you can do it with any phone, and like as long as it have camera, I guess, and you have to download these two programs that I said. Once again, you just need to go into dev47apps.com. If you're using iPhone, download the application from App Store, and if you're using Android phone, you can do it like as I show you on your Android app from Google Play, and just download the Windows version or Linux one, and pretty much that's it. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and see you next time.